We also have the binary platform. Binary platform, since we're talking about binary, dalawa po. May dalawang paraan ka din to earn in the binary platform. Unang-una po dyan is the direct referral bonus, and at the same time, may match sales bonus pang kasama. Ang binary platform natin, you'll be enjoying direct referral bonus at match sales bonus. Sa direct referral bonus, ito po, napakaganda, napakasimple, na masosold mo, mabebenta mo sa iyong kliyente, kaibigan, kakilala, you will be enjoying 5,000 pesos direct referral bonus. Sa isang package, sa ibebenta mo, mai-share mo, at bibili ng kaibigan, kakilala, or any person na mamimit mo that will buy 5,000 kaagad. 5,000 kaagad ang mai-enjoy mo. If you share, kakilala, kaibigan, kaklase, kapitbahay, any person that you know, and every time they buy this, you will be rewarded 5,000 pesos direct referral. So let's say in a month, si Honey Christian nakapag-share ng hindi lang isa, hindi lang tatlo, kundi 10 ni sa kanyang kakilala. Automatically, that 5,000 multiplied by 10, meron ka na kaagad 50,000 pesos direct referral bonus pa lamang po. 50,000 sa 10 na benta mo. Is it good? Magandang income po ba yan? Yes, talagang napakaganda niyan, di ba? At yan po ay napakaganda because you can earn this unlimited direct referral bonus. You can enjoy direct referral bonus income without limit. Kasi nasa sayo po yan. If you want to limit yourself with 1 Universe package, or 2, or 10, or 20, or 40, nasa sayo po yan. Yun, ito po ay direct referral bonus pa lamang. Ngayon, meron pa tayong match sales bonus. The second way for you to earn sa ating binary platform. Ngayon, ang match sales bonus will happen if you have 2,400 product points combined from the left and right sales group. So, ang mangyayari po niyan, pag marami kang na-share, na-benta na Neoverse package, maraming package na merong 1,200 points. So, since we are in the binary platform, ang gagawin mo lamang po dyan is to put them either on the left sales group or in the right sales group. So, one Neoverse package may 1,200 points at another Neoverse package naman may 1,200 points. This will give you extra profit of 1,800 pesos for your match sales bonus. Ako, ang dami mong shinare kanina. 5 yung nilagay mo sa kanan. 5 din yung nilagay mo sa kaliwa. So the system will detect 2,400 points combined left and right. 518 pa ang papasok sa'yo. Meron ka pang makukuwang extra. Now, para mas ma-visualize mo yung aking sinasabi sa match sales bonus, let me expound more sa inyong lahat. So, let's say for example, si Ma'am Leonora. Yan. So, Ma'am Leonora, meron siyang left sales group at right sales group. Now, si Ma'am Leonora, mag-i-invite siya ng kaibigan niya. So, halimbawa, kaibigan ni Ma'am Leonora si Peter. Si Peter na nasa left sales group. Si Parker nasa may kanan sa right sales group. So, since si Peter and si Parker ay inimbitahan ni Ma'am Leonora, she will be enjoying direct referral bonus of 5,000 pesos. Since 1-2 yung nasa kaliwa, 1-2 yung nasa kanan, meron din niyang tinatawag na match sales bonus na 1,800 pesos. Tama po. Napakaganda. May 5,000 ka na sa bawat package, may 1,800 ka pang additional. Ito po yung pinakamas malupit, pinakamas maganda, at pinakamas ma-enjoy mo. Alright, so halimbawa si Peter, iimbitahan niya si A at iimbitahan niya si B. Kung ano yung ginawa mo na nag-earn ka ng 5,000 left and right at may 1,800 ka na matching bonus, susundan lang din ni Peter yan. So Peter will be inviting A and B, magkakaroon siya ng same amount of income kagaya mo, at ganun din naman si Parker. Mag-i-invite siya si C and si D sa left and right niya. Kung ano yung income mo left and right with matching 1,800, ma-enjoy din ni Parker. Ito yung mas maganda po dito. Si Parker nag-imbita kay C and D. Si Peter nag-invite naman kay A tsaka kay B. Parehas ba silang nagkaroon ng profit and income? Yes, because they did the same thing. They followed the system. Ginawa nila kung ano yung ginawa mo. So they made income, pero ikaw, kahit po hindi ikaw ang nag-imbita kay A and B, hindi ikaw ang nag-imbita kay C and D, guess what? Dahil ang system na detect na mayroong 1,200 points left and right, magkakaroon ka ng 2 extra matching sales bonus. Yan po ang ma-enjoy mo. Napakaganda po talaga. Yan ang pwede mangyari sa iyo. So ikaw na mag-iimbita, imagine sa dalawang mabibenta mo na automatically ang ma-enjoy mong profit ay nasa 11,800 pesos kaagad. Dalawa pa lang po ang na-share mo na Neoverse package. Pag ikaw ay nagsimula at na-call the distributor. Now, a distributor has the opportunity to enjoy up to 16 matching sales bonus per day, which means that is 28,800 per day, 201,600 per week, that is 864,000 gross income per month. Ito po ang pwede mong ma-enjoy as you start. And apart from that, we also have the monthly income. We have this Unilevel platform na mag-enjoy ka sa overriding commission sa lahat ng produkto na ginagamit, binibili, nasi-share at nabebenta ng iyong buong organization. Now, 5% product commissional points plus 5% naman product commissional points sa taong direct na ikaw yung nagdala at nag-imbita dito sa ating negosyo. Now, you will enjoy overriding commission sa Unilevel platform from first level down to the 10th level ng iyong business. Okay? That is in the Unilevel platform. Nag-override ka in those levels from first down to the 10th. Ngayon, meron din tayong stair-step. Stair-step platform, overriding pa din. Still overriding sa lahat ng produkto na ginamit, binili, nabenta, na konsumo ng sarili mo and buong downlines partners down the line. But the overriding commission in the stair-step is based on the rank differential, which means your rank, yung kung ano po yung rank po ninyo versus the rank of your partners, the difference there is going to be the overriding commission percentage para sa iyo. Alright? You will earn commission again on all the group product reorder and easy packages down the line. Ngayon, in our stair-step platform, meron din tayong personal rebate. Personal rebates depending on the rank for every personal purchase of products. So unahin ko muna, paano ka ba magkakaroon ng position dito? Sa stair-step platform, you will start as a distributor. The more you use the product, the more you share the product, maka-accumulate ka ng points, pwede kang umakyat into silver executive. 10 points, meron kang extra 10%. Kapag naka 100 points ka naman, you will become gold executive, may 20% ka naman dyan. Kapag ikaw naman ay global ambassador, 1,000 points, ang requirement dyan, you will be having 30% overriding commission para sa'yo. And don't worry about the points. 10, 100, 1,000 points, you will not be working on this alone because these are group sales accumulation. From your end down to the last person in your organization, lahat po ay magtutulong-tulong with the points na na-accumulate para mabuo yung 10, 100, and 1,000 points. No time frame, no reversion, no demotion, and no pass-up. Hindi po ito naghahabulan, hindi po tayo paunahan, but still you have the time, you have the decision whether na pabilisin mo yung pag-rank up mo or you will take it slowly but surely. Pero maganda po dito, wala namang reversion. Hindi ka rin madidemote, wala ring uungas sa'yo. Because lahat kayo magtutulong-tulong, lahat tayo magtutulong-tulong to gather the points, to rank up, and to be in the next position higher than the distributor, maging silver ka man, gold, or global ambassador. Alright? Now, mayroon pang royalty income na makakapag-earn ka ng 2% up to the 5th level of your GA Directs kapag ikaw naman po ay nakapag-reach ng global ambassador and your downline also reach the same position na meron ka. Alright? Ngayon sa personal rebate naman, meron kang 10% pag silver executive, 20% pag global gold executive, 30% pag global ambassador sa bawat personal product purchase mo. So imagine, discounted ka na as you become part of the business as in the system, discounted ka na every time you buy the products again, meron ka pang rebates kapag umabot ka ng mga position like silver, gold, and global ambassador. Okay? And last but not the least, meron din tayong UniPay Plan platform. Now, this is the same overriding commission. Still overriding commission ito sa lahat ng product na binibili, ginagamit, na nabebenta, at nakukonsume ng iyong buong organization. Ang kagandaan po sa UniPay Plan, even a distributor, kahit po ikaw ay bago pa lamang, distributor pa lang ang inyong position, you can enjoy commission from the first level up to the 20th level following yung stairs of genealogy natin. Now, all the products that you and your downlines and partners are using, kahit distributor ang position mo, meron kang overriding commission. So from first to third level, may 5%, 4 to 8 level, 4%, 9 to 15th level, may 3% ka naman, yung 16 to 17 level, 4%, yung 18 to 28 level naman, 5% ang pwede mong ma-enjoy dyan. So, all of these, pwede mong ma-enjoy by doing this simple step na pag nag-shift ka ng product mo into easy, ginamit mo at continuously ginagamit mo, you love your product and you become the product of your product at you always share and share and share the product and the packages of Neoverse sa iyong kaibigan, kamag-anak, kakilala, any person na pwedeng matulungan ng ating magagandang produkto, especially the system natin sa you will enjoy hindi lang daily kundi monthly income dito sa ating system. Kaya sa lahat ng kasama natin, lahat ng nanonood today, you are watching this for a reason. Hindi ka lang dumaan dito marahil someone sent to you this link. Think about this. Make a decision now. Become part of our business. Try our wonderful products and you will see the result. Hindi lang pang sarili mo, hindi lang para sa health mo, kundi para rin sa finances mo and the future of your family and your kids. God bless to all of you and more power sa inyo pong lahat.